In this video, we are comparing Zoho Books and QuickBooks to see which one saves more time on invoicing and tax prep. Because sending invoices, chasing payments, tracking expenses, saving receipts, and getting ready for taxes can take way more time than it should. So today, we'll look at where Zoho Books is better, where QuickBooks is better, and which one makes more sense for your business. I'm Erin from SaaS Report. Let's get into it. Before we compare them, here is what actually matters. For invoicing, the tool should help you create invoices fast, send reminders, accept payments, and see who has paid. For tax prep, it should help you track income, categorize expenses, save receipts, connect bank accounts, and pull reports when you need them. That is the real time saver. The best accounting tool is not always the biggest name. It's the one that keeps you from asking, did I send that invoice, or where did that expense go? QuickBooks is one of the most familiar names in small business accounting, and that is a real advantage. If you work with a bookkeeper, CPA, or tax professional, there is a good chance they already know QuickBooks. That can save time because you are not explaining your software from scratch. QuickBooks also puts a lot of focus on invoicing, payments, expense tracking, tax categories, reports, and keeping your books organized in one place. For a small business owner, that matters because invoicing and tax prep are connected. If your invoices are messy, your income tracking gets messy. If your expenses are messy, tax season gets messy. If you are collecting payments in one place, sending invoices from another place, and tracking expenses in a spreadsheet, you may technically have a system, but it can still waste a lot of time. QuickBooks is usually the better fit if you want a more standard accounting setup and you care about having something your accountant will probably recognize. The trade-off is that QuickBooks can feel like a lot at first. It has many features, plan levels, add-ons, and workflows. That can be useful, but it can also feel like more software than you expected if all you wanted was a simple way to send invoices. For invoicing, QuickBooks is strong because it helps with more than just sending a bill. You can create invoices, customize them, send reminders, track unpaid invoices, and let clients pay online depending on your setup. That is where the time savings come in. Instead of manually checking who paid, who still owes you, and who needs a follow-up, QuickBooks helps keep that process in one place. This matters more if you invoice clients often. If you are a freelancer sending one invoice every few months, you may not need a full accounting system just for that. But if you run a service business and send invoices every week or every month, reminders, payment tracking, and invoice history can save a lot of time. Now let's look at Zoho Books. Zoho Books is also made for small business accounting, but it feels a little different from QuickBooks. It can be a good option if you want invoicing, payments, expense tracking, reports, and automation without paying for a more expensive setup. Zoho Books is especially strong for invoicing. It lets you create professional invoices, send payment reminders, set up recurring invoices, offer different payment options, and handle multiple currencies. That can be helpful if you send invoices often and want the process to feel more organized. Zoho Books may also make sense if you already use other Zoho tools like Zoho CRM or Zoho. Keeping everything in the same system can make your workflow easier. The trade-off is that QuickBooks is still more familiar to many accountants in the US, so before choosing Zoho Books, check if your bookkeeper or tax professional is comfortable using it. The tool only saves time if the people who need your records can actually work with them. Zoho Books is especially useful if invoicing is the main reason you're looking for accounting software because, so like we mentioned, you can send professional invoices, set up recurring invoices, use payment reminders, track invoice status, and handle multiple currencies. That can save a lot of time if you bill clients often, work with international customers, or want invoices that look more professional than a basic PDF. Recurring invoices are helpful if you charge the same client every month. Instead of rebuilding the invoice each time, you can set it up once and let the system handle it. Payment reminders are helpful too because no one wants to keep chasing clients manually. Zoho Books also has approvals and multi-currency support, which may matter more as your business grows. So if invoicing is your biggest pain point, Zoho Books is a strong option. The main question is whether it also fits the way you handle bookkeeping and tax prep. Tax prep is where QuickBooks often has the advantage, especially for US small businesses. Not because Zoho Books cannot track your income and expenses, but because QuickBooks is so common in the small business accounting world. If your accountant already uses QuickBooks, that can save time during tax season. You can track expenses, categorize transactions, run reports, and give your tax professional access to the records they need. So QuickBooks also helps you get every tax deduction you deserve. They also connect closely with the broader Intuit ecosystem, including tax-related tools and accountant workflows. That can be helpful if your main concern is getting clean books to to someone who prepares your taxes. QuickBooks does not magically do your taxes for you. It can help organize the records that make tax prep easier. You still need accurate categories, clean books, receipts, reports, and a real understanding of what applies to your business. If you are unsure about deductions, sales tax, contractor payments, or tax forms, talk to a qualified tax professional. The time savings come from staying organized all year, not from trying to fix everything the week taxes are due. Zoho Books can also help with tax prep because it tracks income, expenses, bank transactions, invoices, payments, and reports. If you keep it updated throughout the year, you can use it to understand what came in, what went out, and what reports you need when tax season comes around. Zoho Books also has expense tracking, bank feeds, tax settings, and reporting features. For many small businesses, that may be enough. So the question is not really whether Zoho Books can help with tax prep. It definitely can. The better question is, will this make tax prep easier for the people involved? It's not the most exciting advice, but it can save you a headache later. Pricing matters too. QuickBooks can cost more depending on the plan, add-ons, payment features, payroll, and support you need. Zoho Books often looks more budget-friendly, which can be appealing if you want accounting software without paying QuickBooks level pricing, but don't choose based on the monthly price alone. Look at what each plan actually includes, check how many users you get, whether you can send recurring invoices, track bills, connect bank feeds, manage projects, handle inventory, use multi-currency, and give your accountant access. The cheapest plan is not always the best deal if it leaves out the feature that would save you the most time. Also, pricing changes, promotions, plan names, included features, and payment processing rates can all change. So before choosing, check the current pricing page and make sure the plan you want includes the features you actually need. For invoicing, Zoho Books may save more time if your main priority is creating, sending, automating, and tracking invoices at a lower cost. QuickBooks can also save a lot of time on invoicing, especially if you want invoices, payments, bookkeeping, and accountant access tied together in a more familiar accounting system. If you care mostly about invoicing workflow, Zoho Books is very strong. If you want invoicing to sit inside the accounting system your accountant is most likely to know, QuickBooks may be the easier choice. For tax prep, QuickBooks probably saves more time for a lot of US small businesses. The main reason is familiarity. As we mentioned throughout the video, a lot of bookkeepers and accountants already work with QuickBooks, so it can be easier to share records, run reports, and get help cleaning up your books. Zoho Books can still work for tax prep. It can track income, expenses, tax, bank activity, and reports, but if your accountant prefers QuickBooks, it may save time because you are using the system that they already know. The first mistake is choosing based only on price. Price matters, but time matters too. If cheaper software creates more work every month, it may not actually save you money. The second mistake is choosing based only on brand name. QuickBooks is familiar, but that does not automatically mean it's best for every small business. The third mistake is ignoring your accountant. If someone else helps with your books or taxes, ask what they prefer before switching systems. The fourth mistake is waiting until tax season to organize everything. No accounting tool can fully save you from a year of messy records. The fifth mistake is paying for features you don't use. If you only send a few invoices a year, you may not need the most advanced plan. If you invoice clients every week, automation and reminders may be worth paying for. So when it comes to Zoho Books versus QuickBooks, the better tool depends on where you need to save the most time. Both can work, they just solve the problem a little differently. I will leave both links below so you can compare the current plan, features, and pricing yourself. I'm Erin from SaaS Report. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.